Dear all, welcome to a class on control systems module 2 signal flow graph. Let us solve few more problems today. We see here three summers and three forward gains G1, G2, G3, three feedback gains H1, H2, H3 with an input of R of S leading to output C of S with a negative feedback. Now the previous problem is redrawn. All the summers and takeoff points are replaced with nodes and individual branch gains are represented as G1, G2, G3. Individual feedback gains are represented as H1, H2, H3. The negative feedback is represented as -1 in the first two cases, and third case H3 is multiplied with -1 and minus H3 is presented over there. Now let us look at how many forward paths do we have in this particular problem. How many loops do we have? Do we have a double non-touching loop? Do we have a triple non-touching loop? Looking here, G2, G3 -1, it is one loop. G3, H1, H2 with a minus sign, that's second loop. G1, G2, G3, H1, H2 minus of H3, this is the third loop. And then we have only one forward path, which is G1, G2, G3.
So looking here, minus of G1 H1, minus of G3 H2, they become a set of double non-touching. Similarly, minus of G1 H1, minus of G2 H4, second set, minus G1 H1, minus G5 H5, third set, minus of G3 H3, minus of G5 H5, fourth set, then G1 G2 G3, minus of H2, and then minus of G5 H5. These become fifth set of double non-touching. Similarly, we will have a triple set of non-touching loops. Yes, a single loop, single triple set we do have, which is minus of G1 H1, minus G3 H3, then minus G5 H5. This is the set of triple non-touching loops that are formed in this form.
So that is what is represented over there in the form of a tabular column for easier understanding. And our Mason's gain formula says the transfer function is obtained as a summation of pk delta k by delta, where here we have only one forward path P1, which is G1, G2, G3, and delta 1 is 1 as there is no non-touching loop which is we do not have any other loop which is not common to the path G1, G2, G3. So delta 1 becomes 1, and as already we have studied, L1 is minus of G2, G3 H1, L2 is G3 H1, H2 with a minus sign, and L3 is minus of G1, G2, G3, H1, H2, H3. So replace those L1, L2, L3 using the corresponding gain. We get the final solution as G1, G2, G3 by 1 minus of minus G2, G3, H1, minus G3, H1, H2, minus G1, G2, G3, H1, H2, H3. The same problem can be done using your block diagram reduction methods. Solve it, cross-verify it with the solution with the signal flow graph.
Final solution is,
let us move on to the next.
1 by 1 minus of L1 to L5, then plus in L1 to L5, then minus of C. So that is really the represented in the form of P of S by R.
Problem. Here we see the problem with 4 summers, 2 forward paths G1, G2, G3 and G1, G4 if you can identify, then 3 feedback paths H1, H2 and a unity feedback.
G5 is it. Fourth one is
now let us try to study the signal flow graph of this particular problem. So all the summers takeoff points are replaced with nodes. Negative feedback replaced with minus h1 and minus h2. The unity gain represented with minus 1. The forward path g1, g2, g3 is the first forward path. g1 and g4 is the second forward path. So we have two forward paths, g1, g2, g3 and g1, g4. How many loops do we have? Let us check it out. How many loops we have? So we have almost 5 loops with L1 as G1, G2 and minus of H1. And then we have L2 as G2, G3 minus of H2. We have L3 as G3 minus H2, and then we have L4 as G1, G2, G3 minus 1, and then we have L5 as G1, G4 with a minus 1. So these are the 5 loops that can be identified in this particular problem. So the same are being represented. The first forward path P1 is G1, G2, G3. Second path P2 is G1, G4. We have the 5 loops as has been identified in the problem. Here delta 1 and delta 2 again are 1. The system has no 2 not touching. So the final representation, Mason's gain formula says Pk delta K by delta. Our solution is obtained by P1 delta 1 plus P2 delta 2 by 1 minus of L1, L2, L3, L4, L5. As delta 1 and delta 2 are 1, we have represented the same G1, G2, G3 plus G1, G4 divided by 1 minus of minus G1, G2, H1 minus G2, G3, H2 minus G4, H2 minus G1, G2, G3 minus G1, G4. So here we obtain the transfer function using signal flow graph method. The same problem has been solved previously in class using block diagram reduction methods. Cross verify both the solutions.